Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Had your breakfast? Yes, I have done my breakfast. Good morning. So, Aarti is here. Aarti's birthday, na? I'm fine, Janvi. Good morning, Akshara. Good morning, Nikita. Aarti is here in the class. Aarti, are you here? Good morning, Bhavna. I'm fine, Ashrita. I'm very fine. Aarti, okay, she's your sister. Good morning. Good morning, Vanilla. Good morning, Deepak. She's not from our class. Dikshita. Good morning. Okay, she's from our class, but she's not there. From our class, she's not there. She has not joined the class, I think. Okay. She's in birthday celebration. From morning itself, she has started doing party. Okay, so she is coming to the class or not? She is attending the today's class or not? Dikshita. Good morning, Harshvardhan. Don't know. Okay, then we will start with our class. If she will join, you have to tell me, ma'am, she has joined. Then we will wish her. Okay. So Dikshita, you have to convey my message to her. Ma'am said happy birthday. Very good. So you had your breakfast? Had your breakfast or not? Yes, yes, very good. You know, from tomorrow, our college will be started. From tomorrow, college will be started. Yes, from tomorrow, college will be started. Yes. This is the joke of the day. This is the joke of the day. You all are shocked after hearing this, I think. Same when we are in I'm taking the session of the AID section. I have told them, tell me one joke. Okay, so one student has tell me, ma'am, from the tomorrow college will be started. So I was really shocked. What? So same reaction I am getting from you people that. So this is the joke. And you all laugh on that. Okay, so Aarti is here. Okay. Aarti, are you here? She is not replying. So happy birthday, Aarti. So you will unmute yourself. Just wait, huh? She is, just wait. Unmute yourself. Aarti, unmute yourself. Aarti, unmute yourself. There is no option. I have given the access. You have to unmute. Just click on the unmute button.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm fine. And what about your birthday celebration? Anything planned or not?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing, are. No planning?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so in home, something special. Nothing will be there. Okay, we will celebrate in the college itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. One more time, happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also we want a party.
Sure, ma'am.
So you are from the hostel, na?
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
in a hostel, na? Okay, so
Yes.
definitely I want a party.
Ah,
Okay. Happy birthday.
thank you, ma'am.
So everyone can wish her happy birthday in the chat box. Everyone wish her. Am I audible or not? Very good. So for sure, she is giving us a party. Good. Dikshita is so happy. Huh? She is giving you a surprise. For sure. Okay, we will move towards our topic. Today, she will not give us a party. When we are in a college, only she is giving us a party. So at that time, we will wish her. Okay. Thank you. So yesterday, which topic we have covered? Operations on the data structure. So what are the operations on the data structure we have learned? All the topics we have covered, Nikita, from the operations. All the topics we have covered from the operations. No, up to what? Which topic? Up to which topic we have done? Up to sorting. Okay, so bubble sort, merge sort, and this middle one. Yes, merge sort, bubble sort. 3 sorting techniques are there. So we have completed. Okay, bubble sort is remaining. So I'm just brushing up the topic from the start. First, we have completed with the Okay, only how many student has joined? 49. Okay. So we have performed the operations on the data structure. First one will be insertion, deletion, sorting, searching, and merging, traversing. These 6 operations we have performed on the data structure. So first we have done with the insertion sort, insertion and deletion. So in the insertion, what will be there? We are adding the new data in the data structure. We can call it as an insertion. Deletion means we are removing the data from the data structure. We can call it as a deletion. So insertion, inserting the element, deletion means from front or from last. We are deleting the element, removing the element from the data structure. We can call it as a deletion. So we have completed with the sorting. In the sorting, merge sort, selection sort, and the bubble sort. The question will become like that: arranging the data in increasing and the decreasing order in a some logical order. This is the definition of sorting. From that slide, the question will become like that: what is the definition of sorting and what are the types of sorting? So you have to write this definition. We are arranging the data in the increasing and the decreasing order. So there are the 3 types: merge sort, selection sort, and the bubble sort. Then 3, we have merge sort, we have completed. We have also completed with the selection sort, and only bubble sort is remaining. So in the bubble sort, what we are doing, see here, in the bubble sort, first we are comparing, then we are swapping. First we have to compare, then we have to swap. So in the bubble sort, what will be there? In the bubble sort, first we are comparing the element, then we are swapping the element. So see, this is the initial stage: 5, 3, 8, 4, 6, 5, 3. So first step will be 5, 3. So first what we have to do, we have to compare. Then we have to swap the element. So whenever we are doing the swapping, 3, 5. 3 will be there, 5 will be there. So we have to swap the element. From 3 and 5, who is the small 3? So the position of 5 will get to 3, and 5, the position of 3 will be having the position of 5. Then 5 or 8 will be compared. So 5 will small, 8 will be greater. Okay, then it will be as it is. Then 8 and 4. Then from 8 and 4, 4 will be a small. So the number will swap. It will come at the position of 8, 4. Then 4 at the position of 4, 8 will be there. Then it will compare to 8 and 6. Between 8 and 6, who is small? 6. So 6 will take the position of 8 and 8 will take the position of 6. So we can call it as a bubble sort. In the bubble sort, very good. Small number comes first. We are sorting. Is it clear to you, student, what is bubble sort? Clear to you or not? What we are doing? First, we are comparing to the smaller one will come first, then the larger one we are arranging, comparing, swapping, comparing, swapping, comparing, swapping. This thing we are doing. Very good. Then we will move towards the next. Searching in data structure. So in searching, what will be there? In the searching, the definition of searching means finding the location of data in the data structure. We are finding the location in the data structure. We can call it as a searching. So there are the two types of searching, linear searching and the binary searching. So in the linear searching, what will be there? See this number if I want to search. So what can I do? 5 equal to 3. It will be a equal? No. So next, 4 equal to 3. It will be a equal? No. Next, then 3 itself. 3 equals to 3. Yes, it will be a equal. So we are found it. So this is the linear searching. And in the binary searching, what will happen? See, our target value, we want to find 7. Okay. So it will be in a left side and it will be in a right side. So since 8 mid, which is greater than 7, obviously whichever the mid value is there, it will be greater than 7. So in that binary search tree, what will be happen? Whichever the element is on the right side, it will be a discarded. This element will be a discarded because we are having only a need of the left side element. So the traversing will be done. The searching of the element will be done only by using the left side. We are not using the right side. So we can call it as a binary search tree. Binary search. We can call it as a binary search. Then the mid will also change. This will become mid and this will become high. Then one by one, we have to shift. One by one, we have to check. One by one, mid. Then one by one, we have to check. Then we have to search for the number as a 7 in the binary search tree. So this is the binary search tree. Take the snapshot of that. Take the snapshot. Done? Very good. This is a searching in data structure. In the searching in data structure, two types are there, two methods are there, linear search and the binary search. Then what is merging? So in the merging, what will be there? I have already told you merge means two different things we are adding in a single. So we can call it as a merge. So see here, this is data, this is second data. So we are adding the both data in a single. So this one, we are adding the data in a single way. So we can call it as a merging. See, -1 is there, 1, 1 I'm adding. In the first, I'm adding second. So we can call it as a merging. So in the merging, what will be there? See, this is the second example. Lena, San Francisco, US, Malcolm, New York, US, Akiko, Tokyo, Japan. I'm adding this block in the next block. Lena, San Francisco, US, Thomas, London, UK, Diani, Chicago, US. So see here, I'm just merging this two table and making the one table. So we can call it as a merging in data structure. Take the snapshot of that. What is merging? Done. Very good. The next, traversing in data structure. So what is traversing? Traversing means we are visiting each and every element. So we can call it as a traversing. Assessing each and every element, visiting to each and every element, we can call it as a traversing. So there are the three types of traversing: in order, pre-order, then post-order. So we will start with the in order. In the in order, what will be there? See, one, this one, 5 will be our root. This is left and this is right. So in order 5, 6, 7, we are arranging in a proper order. Then 1, 2, 3 will be there and 4 will be here. Then in the pre-order, whichever the last of the left side, we are considering the root. So in the pre-order, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that manner, you have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side, right side, you have to arrange the element. Then post order. In the post order, what will happen? Whichever the number will be root of the pre-order, it will be the last. Then higher number will be a post order. Then we have to add it in a ascending order. 7, 7, 1 will be there. Then after 7, small will be a 6. Then after 6, 5 will be a small. Then here, after 7, 4 will be a small. Then 3, then 2, then 1. Like that, we have to arrange. This is the in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and the post-order traversal. If you people don't want to, what we can say, remember that thing, it will be okay. Just you have to remember the techniques: in order, pre-order, post-order. Which are the traversing technique we are studying? In order, pre-order, post-order. So what is the definition of traversing? We are assessing the each data, we are assessing the each element in the data structure, and we are visiting the each and every element. So we can call it as a traversing. So traversing is having the two types: in order, pre-order, post-order. Is this clear to you, everyone? Take the snapshot. Take it fast. These are the traversing techniques in the data structure. Dipti, now you have joined the class. At the end, in the starting, you are not there. Okay. So what are the list of interview question? Which type of question will be asked by the interviewer on that topic? These are the 5 questions will be asked by the interviewer. And also in the exam for the 1 marks question, this type of question will become. So tell me the answers. What are the various sorting techniques in the data structure? What are the various sorting techniques we have studied in the data structure? Very good. Merge sort, selection sort, bubble sort. Yes. Very good. What are the various searching techniques in the data structure? I'm asking you about the searching technique now. Searching technique. Very good. Linear search and the binary search. And what are the various operators? What are the various operations we are performing on the data structure? Insertion, deletion, sorting, searching. Very good. How bubble sort algorithm will work? Very good. Insertion, deletion, sorting, searching, traversing, merging. These all are the operations we are performing. Good, Janvi. What about others? How bubble sort algorithm will work? We are comparing it and we are swapping it. We are comparing it and we are swapping it. So at that way, the algorithm will work. Very good. Small number will swap and large number will not swap. This type of question will be asked by the interviewer. And in the exam also 100% sure this from the 5 question, 2 to 3 question will be there in the exam. Take the snapshot. See, this person is having the question mark. Why he is having the question mark? Because he is having so many doubts. So that's why he is having the question mark. But you people are not having the question mark because your all doubt gets cleared. Still anyone is having the question mark, just ask me. Don't put the question mark like that, man. Okay, done. Screenshot. Snapshot done or not? Okay, very good. See the next success story. At the start, we are learn about the Microsoft interesting story. Then now, at the last, we are learning about someone's success story. So, she is the J.K. Rowling, who has the author of Harry Potter. She is the author of the Harry Potter book. So what is the success story behind her? See, J.K. Rowling has been known as the famous author of the most selling book, Harry Potter. How many of you people has watched the movie? Yes, Harry Potter is the movie. Very good. Series is also there. Book is also there. Very good. So what is the story behind this girl? What is the story behind this woman? See, J.K. Rowling has been known as the famous author of the most selling book, Harry Potter. So he has clearly stated about her failure. she has having the failure in her life. See, everyone successful woman or man is having the failure stories. So some failure stories is there behind her scene. So what is the failure story? He has given the speech on the ceremony at the Harvard University. This is the university when the people are going for the MS like program. So this is the university, Harvard University will be there. Yes. So she has given the speech there. So at that speech, she has specified the failure. So she has stated about her that she is having the unsuccessful marriage. She is not happy with her marriage. So with an entire life, she will be alone. And she is not having a job. She is a jobless. She is having a very difficult situation without life partner or without job. It will be a really threaten for us. So she has started to find the job. She has started to find the career in the author, dynamic author. And she has having a very good creativity on that. She has published her creativity on the paper. Then she will be a successful woman. She will be a successful author for the Harry Potter. This book sell most selling book. We can call it as a Harry Potter. So she is the J.K. Rowling. So you know about that. Every successful story, there will be a hard work. Without hard work, we can't do anything. So many students, not as so many people are saying like that. If we are not successful, we want to quit. So quit is not an option. We have to do hard until we will reach our goal. Hard working is the key of success. We have to do a hard work until we will reach our goal. She is also suffering from the so many things. She will overcome that and she will find her own way and she will run on that way and she will reach us toward a success. So similar to like her, it will be applicable to each and everyone. The moral of the story is that what we have to do, we have to work hard to achieve our success, because failure will become in everyone's life, but we don't want to stop by seeing the failure. We have to achieve the height. For that, what we have to do, we have to try, we have to practice daily for our success. At the last, when the good time will come, we will get our success for sure. Every successful man, there will be a hard work. There will be some unsuccessful stories will be there. So for us also, there will be unsuccessful stories for our hard work, for our passion. Everyone is having a bad stories behind the success. Just we have to overcome that situation anyhow. If you people are facing any hurdles, if you people are having any bad situation in your life, you just have to overcome the situation anyhow. You have to overcome and you have to win from that situation. Then you will get the success for sure. So this is the moral of that story. This moral you have to keep remember. Okay. And this type of question will be asked for your general knowledge. So you have to know about that. Who is J.K. Rowling? How many of you people knows about the Carrie Minty? Carrie Minty. Okay, not a Carrie Minty, Ashish Chanchrani. I think few of them. The comedy fans are there for the Ashish Chanchrani. Comedy. You will find those people know the Hindi. You just search it. Carrie Minty. Yes. I don't have a pic. Yes, YouTuber. YouTuber. So this is the success story behind the J.K. Rowling. So today we have completed with all the operations which we are performing on the data structure. Yes, he's having the more subscriber, 30 millions. So we have completed with the operations on the data structure. How many operations we are performing? We are performing the 6 operations. Yes. So you have watched the video. It will be a really humorous. Okay. So anyone knows about any joke at the end? Okay, not a joke. Anyone can tell me any success story? You people know about that? Anyone knows any success story? Just you have to comment it in a chat box. Girls, Nikita, Ashrita, Dhanush. Anyone knows any success story? Dipti? Any success story? Any story? Okay, so Dipti, what you have to do? Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, Nikita, be ready. I'm unmuting you. Okay, you have to tell the story. Why no? You have to be a confident. Within 5 minutes, you have to complete. Okay, tomorrow you will say. So Dikshita, are you ready? Dipti, Dikshita, from both of us. Dipti, Dikshita, no. Okay, you all are saying no. Why like that? Okay, shall I consider you don't know the story then? Okay, just wait. Huh? Okay, now I'm taking the attendance. 56 student is there. At the last, few people has joined. I know that. From tomorrow, I will monitor who has joining the last. So, any question you people are having in the operations? Any question you people are having? No questions? Okay, very good. Then you have to practice like that. See, this is the life of the coder. Screen and keyboard. That's it. We have to do a continuous coding. This is the life of the people who are in a multinational companies. Every day they have to code, 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 code until you will get the result. Then also they are having that type of passion, continuously coding. So I also want my student will be like that. Okay, we will start taking the attendance. Roll number 1, present. Roll number 2, present. 3, present. 4, present. 5, 5, 1 done. 5 absent. 6, 6 absent. 7, present. 8, present. 5 present. Okay. 9 present. 10, 10 present. 11 present. 12 present. 13, 13 absent. 14 present. 15, 16, 13 present. Okay. 15, 16 present. 17, 18, 17 absent. 18 present. 19, 20, 19 present. 20 present. 21, 22, 21, 22, 22 absent. 23, 24, 23, 24 both are absent. 25, 26, 23, 24 present. Okay, 25 present. 26, 27, 26, 27 both are absent. 28, 29 present. 30 present. 23 done. 31 present. 32, 33 present. 34, 35, 34, 35, 34 present. 35 present. 36 present. 37, 38, 37, 38, 32 present. Okay, done. 37, 38, 37 absent. 38 present. 39 present. 40 absent. 41 present. 42, 43 present. 44, 45 44, 45 absent. 46, 47 46 present. 47 absent. 47 present. Okay, 48, 49 present. 49 absent. 50, 51 50, 51 49 present. Okay, 50, 51 absent. 52, 53 52, 53 53 absent. 54, 55 both are present. 56, 57 present. 51 present. Okay, 58, 59 present. 60, 61 both are present. I think 60, 61. What about 60? 60 absent. Okay, 26, 27 present. Anyone is remaining? Okay, I'm calling the absent roll number. See, 44 present. Okay. Okay, I'm calling the absent roll numbers 6, 17, 22, 37, 40, 45, 50, 53, 60. These all are the absent roll numbers. 6, 17, 60 present. Okay. 50, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So who are they? Our class strength is 61 na. So only 4 to 5 students has absent today because at that start 47 are present. Okay, Deepak, 6. Okay, Nikita. Tomorrow or today? Nikita. Okay, I'm unmuting you. We are having the too much time. Just wait. Okay, unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Nikita. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, so tell us the story.
Abraham Lincoln is an American lawyer and he is a president of United States. And he lost the job and her mother died and her sister also died and he failed in business and her wife also passed away and he got the nervous breakdown at some point and he defeated with the US Congress and later her father died and after many struggles he became the president of the United States in 1860. He is the true inspiration for everybody
Actually,
and he wrote he said you cannot fail unless you quit. So by this we can take some true inspiration and we can follow.
very good. Really, it's really inspiring for all of us. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm sharing the feedback link with you. Just check once whether it is visible to you or not. Every day you have to give a feedback. And student, tell me one thing, why the assessment participation is low? Why you people are not taking the test? Every day you have to take the test. I'm noting down your roll numbers. Assessment test will be a mandatory for everyone. I have already told you about that. We are monitoring your marks also. So here I'm sharing the feedback link with you. Check once. If any issue is there regarding login, you have to talk with me. You just talk with me, ma'am. We are having that issue. Check once link is visible to you or not. 17 done. Okay, give a feedback on that link. You have to give a daily feedback on that link. Give a feedback. You are from AI section. Give a feedback. Those who are done with the feedback, they can leave the class. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day all. Take care of yourself and your family. Don't go outside. Stay home, stay safe. Bye, everyone. Those who are completed the feedback, they can leave the class. And if you people are having any issue regarding assessment test, first convey the message to me. Okay. Okay, once you visit the college tomorrow, whether it is opened or not. %45. Okay. Very good. Those who are done the feedback, they can leave the class. Thank you.